হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, ওয়েলকাম টু দিস ভিডিও। সব কেমন আছো তোমরা? ডে ওয়ানে আমরা ম্যাথামেটিক্যাল মেথডস পার্টে আইআইটি জ্যামের 2020 ইয়ারের কোশ্চেনে ম্যাথামেটিক্যাল মেথডস পার্টে ডে ওয়ানে আমরা করেছিলাম সলিউশন। যদি তোমরা দেখে না থাকো, লিঙ্ক ডিসক্রিপশন বক্সে দেওয়া থাকবে, সেখান থেকে দেখে নিও। আজকে আমরা যেটা করব, আমরা হচ্ছে 2019-এর জ্যাম আইআইটি জ্যামের যে কোশ্চেন ছিল, সেখানে ম্যাথামেটিক্যাল মেথডসের যে কোশ্চেনগুলো ছিল সেগুলো নিয়ে আমরা ডিসকাস করব। ওকে, so let's go. This is the question pattern in the IIT JAM latest, and this is the instruction. What negative marking is awarded as 1/3, and this is the syllabus of mathematical methods of the IIT JAM. This is all about me, and this is my contact details. Let's start it. In the first question, what is to say? The function f of x, this is the 8x f of x is 8x by x square plus 9 is continuous everywhere except at, মানে যে জায়গাটা ছাড়া অন্য জায়গায় সব কন্টিনিউয়াস। তার মানে where is the this function is discontinuous. Discontinuous means the function is infinity. Where this function comes to infinity, when the x square plus 9 comes to 0, this is equal to 0. That's mean x square equals to minus 9. That's mean x equal to plus minus 3i. So our answer is D. So our answer is D. Next question. If phi x y z is a scalar function which satisfies the Laplace equation, that's mean you know the Laplace equation is grad square phi is equals to 0. What is the grad square? Grad square means divergence of grad phi. This is equals to 0. Okay, and any vector A is solenoidal when divergence of A equal to 0. If divergence A is 0, then we can say this A is solenoidal. And next point is any vector A is irrotational when curl of A is 0. When curl of A is 0, then this is irrotational. When divergence A is 0, then this is solenoidal. Okay, our question says that this Laplace equation, the gradient of phi, that's mean grad phi, is the grad phi is solenoidal or irrotational? This is the question, right? Here you can see that divergence of grad phi, this is our vector grad phi, divergence of grad phi 0, that's mean we can say grad phi is solenoidal. Okay, this is the solenoidal, right? And from vector identities, you know that curl of grad phi is always 0. So this also satisfy the irrotational law. So this is also irrotational, right? Irrotational. Okay, so the grad phi is solenoidal as well as the irrotational. So our answer is solenoidal and irrotational. This is irrotational. Irrotational. Okay, so our answer is A. Next question. A unit vector perpendicular to the plane A and this, you know, the plane containing these two vector, that's mean there is two vector, this is A vector and this is B vector, they lies in the screen of this screen, that in the plane of the screen. So you know, if we cross product A cross B, this will be the perpendicular of this plane, right? This is the perpendicular of this plane. And now if we want to find out the unit vector, you must divide it by the magnitude. So now I want to find out the cross product of these two vector. This is the simplest way, is the determinant of it, I cap, j cap, k cap. Coefficient of I is 1, j is 1, this is minus 2. In the v vector, this is 2, this is minus 1, this is 2, this is minus 1, and this is 1. So this is I cap 1 into 1 minus 2 minus j cap 1 into 1 minus I 2 plus 4 and plus k cap into minus 1 minus 2, right? So this is minus I cap, this is minus 5 j cap, this is minus 3 k cap. What is the value of A cross B modulus? This is nothing but root under 1 square plus 5 square plus 3 square, that is 9 plus 1 10 35. This is root 35. So this is the 1 by root 35 minus I cap minus 5 j cap minus 3 k cap, right? So our answer is D. D is the our answer. So D is the our answer. Answer is D. Next question. What is the eigenvalues of this matrix? The eigenvalues. You know the characteristic equation of this matrix. The characteristic equation of a matrix is A minus lambda I, determinant is 0. So this is take as the A, this vector, this matrix take as the A, and so A minus lambda I is nothing but A is 3I0 minus I 30 minus lambda I means 3 by 3 unit matrix, that is 0 0 0 0 0 1. Okay, so we can write this as the 3 minus lambda I 0 minus I 3 minus lambda 0 0 0 6 minus lambda. So 6 minus lambda. So the determinant, if we put the determinant is 0, that's mean 3 minus lambda I 0 minus I 3 minus lambda 0 0 0 6 minus lambda. This is if we expand along this row, so 6 minus lambda into 3 minus lambda whole square, this multiply this into minus, that is minus I square. So this is nothing but 6 minus lambda, this is 9 minus 6 lambda plus lambda square, this is minus 1, this is plus 1, this is minus plus I square, so this is minus 1. Okay, this must be equals to 6 minus lambda 8 minus 6 lambda plus lambda square. So this is equals to 0, the characteristic equation is 0. So 6 equal to lambda is one solution, and the another one is the lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 8 is equals to 0. So lambda is minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ca by 2a. So this is nothing but 6 plus minus 36 minus 48 no 32 by 2. This is nothing but 6 plus minus 2 by 2, that is 8 by 2, and 4 by 2, that is 4 and 2. So this is lambda equal to 6, 4 and 2. So lambda is 2, 4 and 6. So our answer is option number A. Answer is option number A. Okay. Next question. The gradient of a scalar field. This is a scalar field has the following characteristics. Line integral of a gradient is path independent. Okay. You know, the Stokes theorem says Stokes theorem says cyclic integral of any closed path of a vector in the closed line integral of any vector is curl of A dot ds surface integral. This is the Stokes theorem. Now I look into the option number B. The closed integral of a gradient is 0. So closed integral of gradient, that's mean grad s. So if we apply the Stokes theorem, we can say this is curl of grad s into ds, and from the vector identity we know curl of any grad phi is always 0. So this is 0. So this must be 0. So option number B is the correct, and option number A is called the line integral of the gradient is path independent. That's mean the line integral, this is the line integral, must be 0. That's mean path independent. This is also satisfied. Dependent. So option number B satisfy, option number A satisfy. Option number C, gradient of S is measured of maximum rate change in the field S. You know, gradient, that means grad S is nothing but the rate change. This is the rate change of S. This is the rate change of S. And D, gradient of S is scalar quantity. You can see that grad S is the vector quantity. Okay, so option number D is the wrong, but option D is the wrong. These three are the answer. So our answer will be A, B and C. This is the multiple answer question. So this are the three answer A, B and C. Next, the flux of a function, this is the function passing through the surface ABCD along n cap, where n cap is the n cap. So the equation of this surface, the small surface, if we take this small surface, then what is the value of the small surface? You can see this is the plane of zx plane. So this can be written as dx dz, and the direction of this vector is the y cap. This is the ds. This is nothing but the ds, small area. This is the small area. Okay, and the vector is this. So flux, you know, flux is equal to integration f dot ds. So if we dot the f with s, so we get, this is only y cap, so we get only y cap. That's mean 3xy minus z square into dx dz. Okay, and you can see in this surface the value of y is 1. So if we put this value of y is 1, this is the 3x minus z square dx dz. There is two integration, this is the surface integral, there is two integration where the x value of x is 0 to 1 and value of z is also 0 to 1. So x is 0 to 1, z is also 0 to 1. Now if we calculate the integration z, so x is 0 to 1. If we integrate along the z axis, so 3x z minus z cube by 3, where z is 0 to 1, that into dx. So x is 0 to 1. If we put the value of z equal to 1, that is 3x minus 1/3 into dx. So we get x equal to 0 to 1. If we integrate this with respect to x, this will be 3x square by 2 minus x by 3. If we put the value, so this is 3 by 2 minus 1/3. This is 6, 9 minus 2, 7 by 6, that is 1.11, and so on. The answer will be written in the 2 decimal place. So after point there is 2 term, that is 1. So our answer is 1.6, or this is not correct, 1.61 6, oh this is 4, 36, 6666. So this is nothing but 2 decimal place, that is comes into 7. So 1.17, this is the correct answer. Okay, next. So answer is 1.17. Next question. The value of this along the line 3y equal to x, where z equal to x plus iy. Okay, so in this equation we can write dz equals to dx plus I dy, and z bar. What is the value of z bar? Z bar is the complex conjugate, that means x minus iy. And what is the value of z bar square? And if you put the value of this relation x equal to 3y, that is 3y minus iy, that is 3 minus I into y. So what is the value of z bar square? That is 3 minus I tar whole square into y square. Okay, and in this relation also you can put dx is nothing but 3 dy equal to dx. So dx is nothing but 3 dy plus I dy. So this is 3 plus I dy. Okay, now I want to find out this integral value. Before that we need to change the limit from z to y. You can see the z value is 0 and 3 plus I, then the corresponding y value. You know the z is x plus iy, and x is 3y, so 3y plus iy, that is 3 plus I into y. So if we put the value z equal to 0, then y also 0. If we value z equals to 3 plus I, y is 1. So this integral can be written as, so this integral 0 to 3 plus I z square dz, this can be written as 0 to 1 z bar square, that is the 3 minus I the whole square y square, and dz is 3 plus I into dy. So what is the value? 3 minus I whole square, 3 plus I integration 0 to 1 y square dy. Take 3 minus I into 3 plus I, that is 9 minus I square, and another one is 3 minus I, and this is the value will be y cube by 3, that is the 1/3. So this is nothing but minus 1, that is 10 by 3, 3 minus I. This is the value of this integral. Now we find the 0 to 3 plus I z bar third square dz mod square. So the integral value is 10 by 3, 3 minus I mod square. So this is 100 by 9, and the mod of this value 3 minus I's modulus is root under 3 square plus 1 square, that is 10, root 10. So the square of root 10 is 10. So this is 1000 by 9. We divided this as A111.11 and so on. Our answer will be written in the first decimal place. So the answer will be 111.1. This is the answer. So our answer will be 1.1. This is our answer. Clear? Okay. So this all about the mathematical parts of the 2019 mathematical methods এই কোশ্চেন এসেছিল. For any query or any doubt, you must comment on the comment box, and if you like this session, please like and subscribe the channel, share this. Okay, thank you for listening. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you.